It's been a while since I posted the last video, so let's take a look at this new book, The Beginner's Guide to Brush Lettering, an interactive workbook for creating beautiful art by Latta. So this is the front page, and then this is the back page. Let's see what's the content page like, and also like just flipping the book first. So we have the content page. So let's see what it covers. So it covers from the basics, the techniques, as well as the different projects that you can take on. So under the introduction is the brush technique, the B basic brush strokes, the brush script alphabet, the brush script lettering, flourishes, extended and outline brush script, and how you can add bounds, as well as the bonus ideas that they can provide you with. And then these are the different projects that you can embark on. And then let's see how it looks like inside. So you have the different kind of techniques that they teach you inside, then the different kind of exercises you can work on. So you can actually lay the book flat, and you can actually like use like tracing paper over it to maximize the book as well. So meaning to say, apart from the technique guide that they teach you with, you can also practice it. And then at the back there's different like projects, as well as the ideas for you to actually create your craft with. So this book, you can feel that this book is really like quality. Yeah, so that's the end. So flipping again to show you how it looks like inside. Okay, that's all. Thank you.